Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. You are spending a good life. Most welcome dear friends my channel. I shared with you new and great crochet thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. Let's come friend, I shared with you new and great crochet thinking ideas which are most beautiful to each other. So friend, let's come and I shared with you new and great crochet thinking lily top ideas. I shared with you new and great crochet new ideas which are most ambitious to each other. Hopefully friends you will be gain different type of thinking ideas to watching my video, because it's are completely different and it's are very eligible, unique, cropped ideas. And I shared with you in this video lily cactus decorated points, and these are very beautiful. So friend, you will be gain different type of thinking ideas. It's are more dimensionally different to each other and are very beautiful, unique, great ideas. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy my ideas which I introduce in this video. So friend, you will be gain different type of thinking ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friend you will be gain different type of thinking ideas to watching this video, and like my ideas which I introduce in this video. So friend, subscribe my YouTube channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this. I hope friends you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. These are very beautiful crochet cactus designs. How do you prove your home decoration points? Hopefully friends you will be enjoy these crochet great kind decks ideas that are completely different to each other, and you will be gain different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. So dear friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which are completely different to each other, and you will be gain different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy these great new ideas, and these are very beautiful and unique.